Very good evening to all of you. Guys, today is going to be an important day. Reason is, today you will study the entire accounting process. Okay, meaning what? Meaning is very simple. Your entire 11th standard syllabus will be completed in one simple sum. Okay, so we are exactly going to understand as to what is the accounting process. I will tell you what is the accounting process right now, what are the steps, and we'll take one sum where we are going to take the entire process in detail. Is that clear? Where you have the journal entries, the ledger accounts, how to put a trial balance, trading account, P&L account and balance sheet, which is going to be very, very crucial. Shall we proceed, guys? Okay. Now, as far as your accounting process is concerned, okay, first one, with the help of transactions and events, we pass journal entries. What? Journal entries. Okay, I once again repeat, with the help of transactions and events, we pass journal entries or prepare subsidiary books. These are known as books of original entry. Books of original entry. Sir, it means that should we pass journal entries as well as subsidiary books? Answer is no. When the transactions are many, you need not pass the journal entries. You have to prepare what books? Subsidiary books. How subsidiary books are prepared, we'll see later on. So right now we are starting with what? Journal entries, ending with final accounts. Is that clear? Now, second step. With the help of these journal entries, you prepare ledger accounts. What do you do? So with the help of journal entries, we prepare what accounts? Ledger accounts. Okay, so in ledger accounts क्या करने का है? First step is ledger posting. What? Ledger posting. That is, journal entries are posted into ledger. Journal entries are posted into ledger. In detail, I am giving you some steps. Is that clear? Sir, next, इसमें क्या होता है? Then होता है ledger balancing. What? Ledger balancing. Once the ledger is balanced, step number 3 is trial balance. What? Trial balance. So, with the help of ledger balances, trial balance, TB, trial balance is prepared. What is prepared? Trial balance is prepared. Okay, all of you keep on taking it. Please write. Step number 4. Okay, with the help of, okay, one second. Correct. With the help of trial balance, we prepare final accounts. What we prepare? Final accounts. Sir, final accounts comprises of, generally we say final accounts comprises of 3 things. Trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay, now in this trading and profit and loss account are prepared by passing closing journal entries. Closing journal entries. Very, very important. All nominal accounts get closed. All nominal accounts get closed. Now I have already taught you all what is personal, real and nominal. Yes or no? All nominal accounts related to expenses and losses and incomes. These will get what? Closed. By passing what entries? Closing journal entries. Is that clear? Okay. The next, balance sheet. What? Balance sheet is nothing but accounting equation what you have done. Balance sheet is prepared with real and personal accounts. With what account? Real and personal accounts. Is that clear? Now if you go to see their balance sheet, anyway we'll see that later on. Since you have done the accounting equation, I'm just showing you. Okay. If you see your balance sheet, tell me. In your balance sheet, what all you have? Tell me. Capital and liability, isn't it? Capital and liability, assets, amount. Always remember, capital and liability दोनों only personal accounts. What? Only personal accounts. Capital account is a personal account, bank loan is a personal account, creditors are personal account, bills payable are personal accounts, outstanding expenses are payable to some person, income received in advance, you have to render service, benefits payable to a person, always personal accounts. Assets, real and personal. And one more thing you remember, capital and liabilities will always show credit balance. What balance? This will always show credit balance, and assets will always show debit balance. Keep on writing, keep on writing, keep on writing. All of you got it? Yes, my dear friends? Okay. Shall we repeat the process for your understanding? People who are watching the video can fast forward this because I'm going to repeat it. Okay? Shall we go ahead? Have a look at it. I'll do it once again. Accounting process. With the help of, I'll read it once again. With the help of transactions and events, we pass what entries? Journal entries, or prepare what books? Subsidiary books. That is books of original entry. Then with the help of with the help of journal entries or even subsidiary books, I have not written here. With the help of journal entries or subsidiary books, we prepare. What do you prepare? We prepare ledger. Ledger में क्या करना है? You prepare ledger, but how to prepare ledger? I have given here in steps. First arrow, second arrow. Ledger posting. That is, journal entries are posted into what? Ledger, and then ledger balancing is done. After that, you prepare what balance? Trial balance. With the help of ledger balances, trial balance is prepared. Then with the help of trial balance, we prepare final accounts. And generally final accounts are trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. I repeat once again, trading, P&L and balance sheet will not come for every organization. It depends from organization to what organization. Suppose if I am a service provider, I will not prepare trading account. I'll prepare only P&L account and what? Balance sheet. Suppose if I am a trader, I will prepare trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. Suppose if I am a manufacturer, where I purchase the raw materials and I manufacture goods, I not only prepare trading account, I will also prepare manufacturing account. What account? Manufacturing account. I have not taken here. We'll see that manufacturing account later on. So that depends on the nature of the business. One more thing you remember, whether it is trading or P&L account, these are prepared by passing what entries? Closing entries. All nominal accounts get closed. Only nominal accounts you have to pick up and close it. Then you prepare what? Balance sheet. How do you prepare balance sheet? Balance sheet, you already know accounting equation. Capital plus liabilities is equal to what? Assets. All capital and liability are personal account, which are having what? Credit balance. And all assets are real and personal accounts, which are having debit balance. This is your entire accounting process. Now this is what we are going to take today. So आज का class इतना important है, you will understand exactly कहाँ से कहाँ आ रहा है, and how many entries are going to come and what are the entries. Is that clear? And today you will also be studying about few important concepts, because as and how I take the sum, you will understand the important concepts also. Is that clear, guys? Have you taken it? Shall we go ahead? Okay. Yep. Now, come back. Yes. Okay. I want you all to, yeah. Guys, I want you all to take down this sum. Okay. Question number 1. From the following information, pass necessary journal entries and prepare ledger accounts, trial balance and final accounts. Ram started his business with cash 50,000, 10 shirts of rupees 10 each. 6 months ago, means he has purchased them 6 months ago. Purchased 6 months ago. You can write it like that. Furniture 10,000 rupees. Second one, he purchased 90 shirts at 100 each. 50 shirts for cash from Mr. A. 40 shirts on credit from Mr. Ravan. He sold 80 shirts at 125 each. 50 shirts for cash to Mr. B. 30 shirts on credit to Mr. Lakshman. He paid Ravan 2,000 on account, not in full settlement, only part payment. And he received cash from Lakshman 3,000. 5 transactions. With the help of these 5 transactions, we are going to pass journal entries, prepare ledger accounts, prepare the final accounts. Is that clear? Okay. Those who are watching the video, you have to take down this by pausing. Okay. And along with me, you have to solve this. Now the first entry, I repeat it once again. Cash account debit 50,000, asset increases. Opening stock account debit 10 shirts at the rate of 100 each, 1,000. Furniture account debit, how much? 10,000. Is that clear? And who brings it? Who brings this? To capital. Capital. Only one person is there, you can just put capital account. If there are more than two owners, then you can say Ram and Lakshman capital. Is that clear? So it is only one. You can either say Ram capital or only capital. Total is how much? 61,000. So liability, capital increases. All of you got it? Any difficulty? Up till here, any difficulty? Tell me the second transaction. In the second transaction, if you go to see, he purchased 90 shirts at the rate of 100 each. And out of that, 50 shirts he is purchasing for cash. And 40 shirts he is purchasing on credit from Mr. Ravan. Is that clear? Now, please tell me the entry. What did you get? You got the goods. He is a dealer in shirts. Goods will take 6 color. Which color? Purchase. Entry. Either asset increases or expense increases. Purchases account debit. How many shirts? 90 into 100. Cost price is 100. Total 9,000. To cash. I think 50 shirts into 100, correct? Which is how much? 5,000 asset reduces. To, I think Ravan. Yes. How many shirts? 40 into 100, which is how much? 4,000. What should I write here? Ravan ko kya likhu idhar? Very good. Liability increases. Keep on telling me liability increases. Is that clear? Now, such entries are known as compound journal entries. What they are known as? Compound journal entries. Reason there are more than one debits or one credits. But the debit and credit will tally in amount. Is that clear? Okay. Shall we go to the next one? Okay. Third one. Look at the third journal entry. What is the third one? He sold how many shirts? Now, I'll ask you a question. How many shirts is already available with him? Not 90, 100. He had an opening stock of 10 and he purchased how much? 90. Out of that, he's selling how much? 80 is selling. Is that clear? So, obviously, he has got sufficient amount of shirts to sell. And correct, 80 shirts he has sold. And how has he sold these 80 shirts? He has sold these 80 shirts for, one is for cash, another is on credit. Yes or no? I think 50 shirts he has sold for what? Cash. And 30 shirts he has sold on credit. Please tell me the entry. What did he get? Cash account debit. Very good. Cash account debit. How many shirts? 50 shirts into 125 each. 125 is a selling price. 6250. Then, I think he also got promise. He also got promise. Promise from whom? Mr. Lakshman is a debtor. Lakshman account. I'm writing a different spelling, but that's okay. LXMN. Is that clear? Lakshman account debit. How much? 30 into 125, which is how much? 3750. All of you are there? Is that clear? Now, what did he give? What did he give in this? Shirts, that is goods. Goods will take color, which color? Sales. Sales account credit. Either asset reduces or income increases. And how many shirts? 80 shirts are sold at 125 each. That's it. Up till here, all of you are comfortable? Comfortable? Okay. Fourth one. Tell me the fourth transaction. Sir, Ravan is a liability, sir. Ravan is a... And you are paying that liability. Are you paying in full settlement or only on account? Means only part payment. There's no discount received. Is that clear? Please tell me the entry. Paid to Ravan, entry. Liability increases or reduces? Who is that liability? Ravan account debit. How much? 2000. To cash. What did you give? Cash. Asset reduces. Cash account credit 2000. Comfortable? Comfortable all of you? Yeah. What is the next one? He received? Okay. He received cash from Lakshman. What did you get? Asset increases. Cash account debit. Cash account debit. How much? 3000 to asset reduces. Debtors balance reduces. Correct? Bhai Saab, Lakshman was a debtor. Look at this. Lakshman was a debtor. Asset था. अभी वो asset balance क्या होगा? कम होगा. Is that clear? To Lakshman. How much? That's it. Any difficulty? Clear? All of you getting it? Step number 1 is done. So what is step number 1? Pass the journal entries. Is that clear? Now, with the help of these journal entries or subsidiary books, which I have not yet taught you all, subsidiary books abhi tak sikhaya nahi hai, that's okay. But with the help of these journal entries, you have to prepare ledger accounts. What accounts? Ledger accounts. Now, ledger accounts, first of all, you have to understand what is an account. What is an account? Now, what is an account? Anybody can tell me? What is an account? I'll give an example here. Very simple. Hear it carefully. Suppose if I pass journal entries where every month I am paying, hello, please concentrate here. Every month I am paying electricity expenses. Okay, every month I pay electricity. First month 2000, second month 3000, third month around 4000, fourth month 3000 again, then 2000, 1000. Aisa karke I have paid for 12 months. How many months? And I have passed only the journal entries. Okay, now if you ask me, or if I ask you, look at these journal entries and tell me what is my 12 months electricity expense. What will you have to do? You will have to turn the pages of journal. Yes or no? Journal entry number, this is electricity. Okay, turn the page. Turn. Then take the calculator and do it. Does it become difficult? Yes or no? Because journal entries are passed chronologically. What? Date-wise. As and how the transactions and events take place, you go on passing the journal entries. Is that clear? But ledger accounts are prepared analytically. What? Analyze करने के लिए easy होगा आपको. Now tell me, if all the electricity expenses are recorded in one page, does it become easy for you to tell the answer? That is an account. So when all these electricity expenses are recorded in what? One place. That is an account. So what is an account? Simple definition. Transactions of similar nature are recorded at one place. Really? Very good. Transactions of similar nature are recorded at one place. For example, transactions relating to electricity are recorded at one place. Transaction related to petrol expenses are recorded at another place. Are you understood? Transactions related to advertisements are recorded at another place. Transactions related to purchases are recorded in purchase account. So transactions of similar nature are recorded at one place. That is ledger accounts. Now how to prepare ledger accounts is the next step. Is that clear? Okay, now come down here. Now, sir, after passing the journal entries, I know how to pass the journal entries, but how many accounts should I prepare? Is a question. Correct? Now, how many accounts you should prepare? I'll tell you. Look at this. Cash account, first account. Second, opening stock. Third, furniture. Fourth, इधर ही 4 account मिल गया आपको. Fifth, purchases. Sixth, no, cash account you have already taken here. अरे yes. So और एक बार cash account prepare करना जरूरी नहीं है. You need not prepare once again the cash account. Sixth, seventh, cash is already done. Eighth, ninth, no, already prepared. Correct? Already prepared. Correct? 10th, already prepared. So total how many accounts? Yeah. All of you got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Totally how many accounts? 8 accounts are prepared. So with the help of these journal entries, you come to know how many ledger accounts you have to prepare. Is that clear? Now how to prepare the ledger accounts? ये देखो नीचे दिया है मैंने. Ledger account, guys, what I'll do is, for easy understanding, I have taken only 2 parts. Any account has 2 parts, a debit and credit. Is that clear? Right? And generally, you have one more column here known as date. What? Actually, date आता है. Right now, you don't prepare date. Okay, I'll tell you what columns will come. Okay? Have a look at it. Generally, you have date, particulars, then you have journal folio. What? Very small column, and then you have amount. Similarly, again you have date, credit side, date, particulars, okay, then journal folio and amount. Generally these are the things, but for your limited purpose, we'll not take the dates here because dates are not given. Is that clear? I have given it as A, B and C. I repeat once again. An account has 2 sides, debit and credit. Each side will have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Debit side 4 columns, credit side 4 columns. Is that clear? Understood? Clear? Now, for your purpose, I have not taken the debit column and journal folio also. Similarly, in your You have LF and JF. What is the importance? I'll tell you later on. Right now, will not take that. Is that clear? वो मैं बाद में आ जाऊंगा. Up till here, any difficulty? So आपको क्या करना है? आपको date वगैरह डालना नहीं है. You need not put the dates and all. You have to only take this. Okay? 2 parts. Okay? Now, cash account. I'll tell you how many lines. Okay? Cash account around 5 to 6 lines. 6 lines, cash account. Okay? Then, opening stock account, 4 lines. All other accounts you can prepare 4 lines. Only cash and capital account you can prepare 6 lines. How many lines? 6 lines. All other accounts 4 to 5 lines. That's it. Can you do it? Can you do it? Okay? Same thing. Only thing you have to put cash account. Other things are same. Particulars amount, debit and credit. Debit and credit. Cash account. Particulars amount. Same thing. Again, down. Opening stock, debit and credit. Divide a page into 2 parts. Particulars amount. Then furniture account. Then capital account. Then purchases account. Then Ravan account. Then Lakshman account. Then sales account. Only up till sales account. Okay? Up till 8 accounts you have to open. Can you do it, guys? Okay, guys. I have given you time to fill up the, to prepare the ledger accounts. Okay? Now, I just want to understand, PUC 1 and PUC 2 students should answer me how to pass, journal entries passed. From journal entries, how to post them into what? Ledger. Okay? Tell me the first journal entry. Cash account debit, opening stock account debit, furniture account debit, capital account credit. Now tell me, where should I go? Let me understand first how much you understand, how much you have understood as far as ledger accounts is concerned. Second year students, first year students can answer. Cash account. Should I go there? How much should I write in cash account? What should I write here? Very good. I should write 2 capital. And how much should I write the amount here? 50,000 or 61,000? Look at the journal entry. 2 capital account is 61,000, no? So should I put 61,000 here or 50,000? Pakka? Yes. Guarantee? Yes. Very good. You all are right, at least for once. Bhai sahab, ye dekho idhar. Journal entry. Hello. In journal entry, have a look at it. In this journal entry, cash account is debited with 50,000. Is that clear? So wherever you have cash account, first you have to put here how much? 50,000. Cash account is debited, but what account is credited? Capital account is credited. So go on the debit side of cash account and write to capital 50,000. Is that clear? Next, in the same journal entry, another account is debited. Which is that another account? Opening stock is also debited, no? With how much? So write only 1,000, and which is credited to capital account. Is that clear? All of you are there with me? Go to the third account. I think furniture account is also debited. So where should I go? Tell me. Furniture account, go to the debit side and write to capital account. How much is the amount? 10,000. Okay. In the same journal entry, capital account is credited by 61,000. Now, in the capital account, all of you please concentrate. In the capital account, should I write here 61,000? Right or wrong? Why? Capital account is credited by 61. No, I am writing 61. What is the problem? Sir, this is a problem, sir. Capital account is credited by 61. But there are how many debits? 3 debits. all those three things I should write. क्या बात कर रहे हो sir? So all the three things: by cash account, by opening stock account. कैश अकाउंट कितना था? 50,000. ओपनिंग स्टॉक कितना था? 1,000. एंड बाय फर्नीचर अकाउंट how much? 10,000. Now guys, you tell me, is this total put together 61,000? So capital account is credited with 61,000, na? But you cannot write 61,000 directly because there are three debits. There are three and only one credit. Now I can say successfully you have posted the first journal entry. First journal entry is posted into ledger. Because debit side is 61, credit side is also what? 61. Look at this. Sir, debit side 50, debit side 1, debit side 10,000. Total is 61 on the debit side. Credit side is also how much? 61,000. Is that clear? This is how a compound journal entry is to be posted. Any difficulty? All of you understood? Very much clear? Shall we go to the second journal entry? Now, tell me the second journal entry. Yes, guys. Purchase account is debited by how much? And then credit is two items. Cash and Ravan account is credited. Now, I'll ask you a question, please answer. Hello? I'll ask you a question, please answer. Where should I go now? I should go to purchase account. Which side? And should I write 9,000? Should I write 9? Nityashri, concentrate here. Should I go to purchase account and write directly 9,000, Nityashri? Why no? Because there are how many credits? 2 credits. If there are 2 credits, I cannot just write only 9,000. Because credits are what? 2. Debit is 1. So what should I do there? Tell me. I should go to purchase account and write what here? Directly I should go to debit side. Definitely, there's no doubt about it. But directly I cannot write what? 9,000. Galat hoga. 2 credits are there. So what should I do? To cash account. How much? 5,000. And to Ravan account. How much? Now tell me, effectively is it not 9,000 debit? Arey bolo, please tell me here, effectively it is 9,000 debit. Is that clear? Now, in that journal entry, I have just taken only purchase account. Is that clear? समझून आले का नहीं रे? हाँ. Clear? Now which account I should go? Again I should go to cash account. Cash account is the first account. Go back to your first account. Go back to your first account. And cash account is debited or credited? Credited. So credited how much? By? Not 9,000 here. Oi, 9,000 kasala. Oi. Cash account is credited with only how much? So 5,000 as liala paje. Go to cash account and write how much? 5,000. But what account was debited by? Purchases. Don't write 9,000. It is 5,000. Understood? All of you. Many of them can make a mistake here. Because purchase account 9,000. We'll write 9,000. No. Purchase account is debited by 9,000. Cash account is not debited. In fact, cash account is credited with only how much? 5,000. All of you are able to understand? Clear? Now, what account is another account? Ravan account also on the credit side, correct? Go to Ravan on the credit side. How much? 4,000 by purchases account. Second journal entry is successfully posted. Any difficulty? Any difficulty? All of you are there with me? Are you posting it, all of you? Shall we proceed with the third journal entry? Yeah, third journal entry, we'll post it now. Tell me the third journal entry. Third journal entry. Cash account debit, Lakshman account debit, Sales account, credit. Now, bhai sahab, please tell me, cash account is debited with what? 6250. So go to cash account and write 6250. Cash account, debit side only 6250. But while writing, what is credited in that journal entry? To sales account. Are you getting it? I think one more account is debited. Which is that account? Go to Lakshman account. Go to, I think after Ravan you have Lakshman. Which side? Debit side or credit side? Huh? Debit side. Very good. Debit is by how much? 3750. What should I write? Again here, to sales account. Is that clear? Now, sir, debit ho gaya, credit sales account. I'll ask you a question. In your sales account, can I directly write here 10,000? Why? There are two debits. There are two, but the total should be 10,000. Is that clear? Tell me. By cash, how much? 6250. By Lakshman, how much? 3750. Is that clear? Spelling भी same रहना चाहिए, नहीं तो computer नहीं लेगा. If there is a simple mistake also it will not take. Nowadays everything is computerized, but anyway you should know the process of accounting. Is that clear? So successfully we have posted which journal entry? Third journal entry is posted. Fourth journal entry. What is the fourth journal entry? You have paid cash to Ravan. So entry is Ravan account debit to cash. वो तो simple है. Go to Ravan account. On the debit side, to cash. How much is paid? 2000. Ravan account is debited by 2000. Similarly, cash account is go to cash account. Go to cash account. By Ravan account. How much? 2000. All of you got it? Clear? Next, cash to Lakshman. Cash to Lakshman. Cash account is debited. Go to cash on the debit side. How much? 3000 to Lakshman account. And here in Lakshman, I think Lakshman is the second last account. By cash account. How much? 3000. That's it. We have done the ledger posting. What we have done? Ledger posting. Now, repeat the steps once again. First, what did we do? With the help of transactions and events, we passed the journal entries. With the help of the journal entries, we posted them into ledger. Now, after this comes what? Very good. Ledger balancing. Ledger. Now, how to do the ledger balancing? One by one. Have a look at it. Go to cash account. All of you, please concentrate. Go to cash account. Okay. Now, I'll ask you some questions. Please answer this. Sir, in balancing, no. Balancing means both the side, the total should be what? Same. Is that clear? That is how we balance. Suppose you have seen this thing, correct? Weighing machine or the jo here na tarazu, correct? Right? So one side if it is 1 kilo, another side also it is what? 1 kilo, then it will be what? Stable. Yes or no? Now here also balancing means both the sides the total should be what? Same. Sir, but it is not same. Look at cash account. Cash account, if you go to see, the debit side balance is more, the credit side balance is less. So how to do the balancing? Rules are very simple. First, see which debit side is having a greater amount, total that and put the total here. Is that clear? So what is the total? 59,000. The same total you write here, 59,250. Sir, but this side the total is not 59,250. So what you do is 59,250 minus these two items. What will be the amount? 52,250. This will be your balance. By balance carried down. This is your closing balance. What balance? Closing balance. Closing balance of this period becomes opening balance of what? Next period. समझ में आ रहा है? So I will do it with pen, blue ink now. Tell me, what is the first step? Repeat. What is the first step? First step is see which side is greater amount. Here in cash account, which is the greater side? Debit side. So write 59,250. The same total you should write it on the other side. 59,250. Don't put the arrow. I'm just putting the arrow. कौन सा पहला अमाउंट लिखना है आपको वो जानना है. Is that clear? Now 59,250 में से ये दोनों माइनस करो. 5,000 and 2,000. You will get the balancing figure. Tell me the balancing figure. समझ में आ रहा है? So 52,250. This is your balancing figure. Is that clear? And here you write by balance carried down. CD is carried down. This is your closing balance for that year, for that period, and this becomes opening balance in the next year. So you have to take it down here. I'll write it in green ink. To balance brought down, same 52,250. Okay, now I want to ask you all a question. समझ में आ रहा है? Is that clear? Now I want to ask you all a question. Okay, the first balance which I wrote was in red ink. All of you agree? 52,250. Now this 52,250 is written on which side? Credit side. Yes or no? So this cash account is showing what balance? 52,250 a credit balance or 52,250 a debit balance? I repeat once again the question. 52,250 is written on the credit side. No doubt about it. So my question is, if I ask you, cash account is showing what balance? Cash account is showing 52,250 a credit balance or 52,250 a debit balance? Debit balance. Because debit side is heavier. Is that clear? So यहाँ side हेचगी रहता total. कौन सा side total ज़्यादा रहता है? That will be the balance. Sir, but you have written this on the credit side. Obviously yes, because to balance it I have to write it on what? Credit side. This side total was 59,250. This side total was not 59,250. But to balance it I have written 59 what? 250 and then wrote the balancing figure here. Ultimately this will be shown here. So what is green? Green is shown on the debit side. Green ink. So that is your balance. So cash account is showing a debit balance of how much? 52,250. All of you got it? Similarly, all of you have done? Are you there with me? Shall we go to the second account? Okay, now from second account onwards, you keep on telling me, I'll put it across. Chalo, bolo. What should I do first? What should I do first? No, don't say balance and all. First tell me the process. Process is which side is heavier, which side is greater. Which side is greater? Debit side. So total udhar likhna hai, debit side. Same amount should be written on the credit side total also. Yes, on the credit side nothing is there. So what is the balancing figure? Balancing figure itself is how much? 1,000. So you have to write 1,000 and write here by balance carried down. Now tell me, this balance is brought down to the next year or next period. How much? 1,000. I'll put that in green ink. To balance brought down. Any difficulty? Now guys, tell me, this opening stock account is showing a debit balance or a credit balance? All of you please tell me, opening stock is showing a DR, debit balance, or CR, credit balance? Debit balance. Is that clear? Next. Shall we go to the next account? Shall we go to the next account? Yeah, please tell me the next one. Please. Yeah. Furniture account. What should I write first? Where should I write? In total. In total, what should I write? Debit side or credit side first? First write debit side. The same thing I should write on credit side, it should be balanced. But on credit side, nothing is there. So, I should write here how much? 10,000 and write here buy balance, carried down. Now guys, tell me, the same balance will come here. How much? Oh, I should write in green. 10,000 and I should write here to balance. Now guys, tell me, furniture account is showing a debit balance or a credit balance? Debit balance. Very good. Come down to capital account. Come down to capital account. ये थोड़ा अलग है. बताओ. हाँ. Where should I write the total? I should write the total on the debit side or credit side? Credit side total कितना है? Credit side I should write 61,000. The same amount should I write on the debit side total? Yes. Arrow देखो. Correct. Now on the debit side, is there any amount? No. But hence the balancing figure will be entirely 61,000. Now this 61,000, what will you write here? To balance? No. Carried down only. Whether it is debit or credit, closing balance is always carried down. Opening balance will be what? Brought down. इधर आता है कितना? 61,000. Buy balance brought down. Opening balance is always BD. Closing balance is CD. Is that clear? What I have written in red is closing balance. What I have written in green is opening balance. Opening balance of the next period. Is that clear? Shall we proceed? Please tell me the next one. Please tell me the next one, guys. No, you have to help me. Where should I write the total now? Purchase account. Debit side total. How much? 9,000. The same I should write on the credit side, 9,000. Is there any balance on the credit side? No. So the entire will be your closing balance. How much? 9,000. And what should I write here? Buy balance carried down. Now this balance will come here. How much? 9,000 as to balance brought down. Go to the next account. Please help me. Go to the next account. Yeah, please help me. Which side total is greater? Credit side the total is greater. How much should I write on the credit side? The same total I should write it on the debit side total. Yes. How much? 4,000. What is the balancing figure? Already 2,000 is existing. So 4,000 minus 2,000 is 2,000. You will have, yep, to balance carried down. The same balance is brought down to the next period as buy balance brought down. Hence, Raman account is showing a debit balance or a credit balance? Raman account is showing a debit balance or a credit balance? Credit balance of 2,000. Is that clear? Bhai sahab, balancing figure is written on the debit side. Doesn't mean that it is a debit balance. It is a credit balance. Is that clear? Next. Lakshman. Tell me fast. Now you have to be fast enough. Tell me. Debit or credit should I write first total? How much? Debit 3750. The same total will come on the credit side 3750. What is the balancing figure? Very good. 750. What should I write here? Buy balance carried down. Same balance will be brought down to the next period as to balance brought down. How much? 750. Is that clear? Any difficulty? Last account is what? Sales. Yeah, please tell me. Nityashri will tell this. Which side total I should write, Nityashri? Which side? Credit. Hedu. How much? 10,000. The same total should be written on? Yes, too. What is there on the debit side? Nothing, no? So entire balance will be correct. And what should I write here? Very good. And this balance will be buy balance. Is that clear? Have you done? All of you have done? Now wait. आपने अभी क्या किया? Balancing. This is known as ledger balancing. After ledger posting comes ledger balancing. Understand the steps. Step by step जा रहे हैं हम. Now with the help of these balances we prepare a trial balance. What we prepare? Trial balance. Now before I go ahead with the trial balance, I want to tell you all something. Okay? Bhai Sahab, always remember, any asset in the trial balance, any asset, okay, will always show what balance? Will always show a debit balance. Any asset. What are the assets? Land, building, plant and machinery, bank balance, debtors, cash, stock, all these will show goodwill, correct? Debtors is a personal account, yes or no? Prepaid expenses, outstanding income, all these are assets. All this will show what balance? Any expenses. When I say expenses, it is revenue expenditure. What expenditure? Revenue expenditure will also show debit balance. Salary account, wages account, electricity account, petrol expense account, depreciation account, all these are expense. They will also show debit balance. Losses, bad debts, loss by fire, loss by theft, they will also show debit balance. So asset, expense, loss will always show debit balance. Similarly, capital, liability, income will show credit balance. Capital will show credit balance, liabilities will show credit balance, income or revenues will show credit balance. Now tell me, purchase is an expense? Are answer. Which definitely purchase will show what balance? Debit balance. Purchase return? In this sum, purchase return is not there, but I am just asking you. Sir, if purchases is showing debit balance, purchase return will show credit balance. Is that clear? Sales? Why? Sales is a credit balance. Sales is an income. It will show a credit balance. Sales return? It will show a debit balance. Is that clear? Understood? Capital account? Capital account will show a credit balance. Drawings? Drawings will show what? Debit. Is that clear? Now please answer this. All of you, let me see how many of you can answer. Land and building? Why land and building debit balance? It's an asset. Debtors? Debtors is an asset, it is a debit balance. Creditors? Creditors is what? Liability. Liabilities will show credit balance. Bank loan? Now are you getting it? So you see any of the items which will fall under these 6 heads. Common items hai. Is that clear? Now in this sum, you have many assets, you have many expenses also, and we'll bifurcate and see how it is. Is that clear? Now you go to your accounts first, ledger accounts, and I will prepare the trial balance. I'll give you time after I prepare the trial balance, okay? Go and tell me, is cash account there? Cash account there? How much? It's an asset, na? Asset will show 2250, and it is showing a debit balance. Look at your ledger. Is it not showing a debit balance? I have written in green ink. Is it showing? Go to the next account. Stock is also an asset. Correct? How much? 1000. Now wait. Stock is also an asset, right? Okay. Asset. Next. Tell me. Furniture. Furniture is an? Very good. Furniture is an asset and it is showing a debit balance of how much? 10,000. Next. Capital is a? Capital. It will show how much? 61,000. Next account. Purchase is an? Purchase is an expense. Expenses. Correct? Expenses will show what balance? Kitna? Next, Ravan. Now Ravan is showing what balance here? Ravan is showing a credit balance, no? So it's a liability. It's a liability. Liability. Kitna? How much is the balance, sir? 2000. Lakshman, it is showing a debit balance. Personal account asset. Personal account debit balance means asset. Personal account credit balance means liability. Understood? How much is the amount? 750. Sales. Sales. Income. Income. How much? 10,000. Please take down. This is your trial balance. Sir, trial balance, obviously you have to put the total also. Tell me the total. 73,000 is the total. If the trial balance doesn't tally, then somewhere you have gone wrong in the posting or balancing. It should tally. Debit and credit should tally. Now, as I told you, with the help of this trial balance, we prepare what? Final accounts. And final accounts, in this case, he's a trader. He's trading in what? Shirts. Is that clear? So he's a trader. He will prepare trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. Now wait. Before solving this sum, I want to ask you a question. You all know trading account? Guarantee? Have I spoken about trading account in the class? No? Okay, I'll ask you some questions. Okay. Tell me trading account कैसा आता है? Okay, we'll come back to a different one. Okay. I heard pa. Trading account. Please tell me. Trading account. Yeah, please tell me. I'll put the things. Account has two sides. Very good. Debit and credit. Okay. Okay, let me see how many of you can answer this. Debit, credit. And please answer whether I'm right or wrong. Please answer whether I'm right or wrong. Okay. Buy opening stock. Buy purchases. Less purchase return. Okay. Sorry. Less purchase return. Outer column. Correct. Then buy direct expenses, wages. Correct hai? Huh? No? Oh. Okay, then what is wrong in this? So you are saying opening stock should come on debit side and purchases should come on and wages should come on debit side. So all these items should come on debit side. Are you sure about it? Guarantee? It's a format. Is it a format? Who told you this? It's a format. Class teacher, tuition teacher. Format, sir. It's a format. Is it a format? ये गलत है. Obviously this should come on what? Debit side. Very good. At least that you know. Which side at least it comes? No, at least that you know. I'm happy. At least that you know. Fair enough. Okay. You're right. You're right. These items will not come on what side? Credit side. It will come here. To? Okay. To opening stock. Fine. To? Okay, keep on telling me the items. Two purchases, less purchase return, less hoga. Net purchases will come on the outer column. Two wages, huh? Two wages. Hello, two wages. What are these wages? Huh? Give me some examples of wages. Wages means what? Sir, wages means wages. Wages means wages. You have studied in your second year, first year. Wages will come in trading account. Salaries will come in profit and loss account. But you don't know what is the difference between wages and salaries. Anybody can tell me what is the difference between wages and salaries? Huh? Wages is on daily basis. So daily if I give you some money, then that is wages. And if I give you weekly? Every 2 days if I give you? Wages. He is telling daily if you give it is wages. And if I say every 2 days if I give, others are saying it is still wages here. Wages. Every 3 days if I give you? Wages. Every week if I give you? Wages. Every 15 days if I give you? Wages. Every month I give you? Sir, it sir. Monthly if I give you salary. No. Absolutely wrong. Useless fellows. What I'll have learnt. I don't know what I'll have learnt. Okay, one second. Okay, tell me other items. We'll come back to this. It is very, very interesting here. We'll come back. Tell me. Two. Any other item comes in trading account? Two? Tell me. Carriage inward. Mele. To freight. To freight means what? Transport charges is freight, no? So transport charges will come in P&L account, no? No. Sir, freight will come here. Tell me, go on telling me. Please go on, let me see your knowledge, okay? Science background students are laughing here. Tell me. People who are done their PUC 1 and 2 science, no? अरे यार, tell me, you are commerce students, you should be able. ये second year आपका complete हो गया, बताओ और क्या क्या आएगा item? Power, water, to power, water, electricity. नहीं आता? नहीं. It means that you don't have the basic understanding of what are what expenses will come in trading and what will come in P&L. In trading account, trading account maybe आएगा. First of all, this is not a format, but anyway, at least you remember it as a format, that's okay. Okay. Now hear it carefully. We'll take some practical example. Vinayak sir, in this example, let us say it is my business. I am a dealer in shirts. Opening stock 10 shirts. I have purchased 90 shirts. When I purchase those 90 shirts, let us say I am purchasing from Delhi. Okay? Purchase related expenses here, Nanga. If I have to get the goods from Delhi to Belgaum, tell me what all expenses will I incur? First, those shirts should be loaded. Loading charges. What charges? Hello, Delhi ne load madabekalo na. Coolie charges, hamali charges. Yes or no? Correct. So you have to load. Loading charges. Then transport, that is known as freight. Freight charges, transport. But this transport is with respect to selling or with respect to purchasing? So any expenses related to purchase is a direct expense. All those will come in trading account. Understood? Okay. Now if the goods are coming from Delhi to Belgaum, is there a risk that the goods will be lost by fire, lost by theft? So I take insurance, transit insurance. What I take? Transit insurance. Transit insurance is also a direct expense which will come in trading account. Now the goods come down to Belgaum. ಎಲ್ಲಿಡ್ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ನಿತ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಎಲ್ಲಿಡ್ಲಿ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ Where should I keep it? ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ Huh? I should put it in the go down. Yes, so unloading charges. What charges? Are also related to purchases. And then they should come to your shop. You pay some transport charge. Carriage inward. What? Goods are coming into your shop. Carriage inward. Carriage inward. Are you understood? All these are the expenses related to your purchases. Once the goods come into your shop, after that, whatever expenses you incur are all indirect expenses, and they will not appear in your trading account. They will appear in your P&L account. Now tell me, once the shirts are in my shop, is that clear? From there, I incur electricity, salary paid or wages paid to the worker. I pay them weekly, 15 days, doesn't matter. All they are related to sales. Anything related to sales. After the purchase are made, once the goods come into your shop, whatever expenses are incurred are all indirect expenses. They are to be debited to your profit and loss account. Artha aita? Is that clear? Understood? Now, I am a trader, I am not a manufacturer. If I was a manufacturer, I will pay wages to the worker who are converting the raw materials into what? Finished goods. If I am a manufacturer in shirt, will I purchase shirt or will I purchase cloth as a raw material? And buttons and threads as raw material. With the help of this cloth, thread and buttons, I will convert that into a shirt. And who's going to do that? I'll do as a owner. Nakundli sewing machine mela. Hedri yaar. I should have labor. I should have. And whatever I pay to the labor, whether it is daily, weekly, monthly, that is wages directly related to production. Anything directly related to production is known as what? Wages. Direct wages nantar ಏನಂತಾರು? समझ में आ रहा है? That will come if I am a manufacturer. Here I am not a manufacturer. Sir, but if you are a manufacturer, then what account you will prepare? You will not prepare trading account. I will prepare. I'll first prepare manufacturing account. After I manufacture the goods, I'll trade it. Then I'll prepare trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. So as a manufacturer, I have to prepare manufacturing account, trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. Here, I am not a manufacturer. Why should I prepare manufacturing account? Manufacturing expenses barange illille. Here, manufacturing expenses will not come. Understood? Oh, aisa hai, sir. Aisa hai. Now you understood. Go back and check any book. Okay, I don't want to name the author. Okay, some of the authors, trading account they have taken 2, lighting, gas, water. That is for production. That is for production and manufacturing. Yalla trading account nag togondar. Means Bhelpuri account. Dahi vada. Are you should know yaar. Trader is different and manufacturer is what different. Now you tell me, hello, sir, even I maintain books of accounts. Will I prepare trading account? Will sir prepare manufacturing account? Will I prepare trading account? Answer. But will I prepare P&L account? Please try to understand. I'll not prepare manufacturing account. I'll not prepare trading account because I'm not a manufacturer. I'm not a trader in goods. I'm only a pure service provider. I will prepare only P&L account. In fact, that is known as income and expenditure account for a professional. You'll come to know later on. It is similar to P&L account. But right now you remember it as profit and loss account. So I prepare only P&L account and balance sheet. Because I'm not a trader. So कैसा business रहेगा ना उसके हिसाब से आपका final accounts भी change होगा. Try to understand this. Many people feel that final accounts में trading, P&L, balance sheet, trading, P&L, balance sheet. अरे it depends on the nature of the business. उसके हिसाब से आपका क्या होगा? Final accounts will change, but balance sheet everyone will prepare. One thing you remember, balance sheet there is a format. For companies it is different format. For non-companies also there is a different format. Is that clear? वो हम बाद में देखेंगे फॉर्मेट क्या है, but try to understand these are the things. Is that clear? Okay, so tell me, in trading account you will have what expenses? 2 what expenses? Direct expenses. In these direct expenses, example could be loading charges. Tell me, second, freight is transport. Then transit insurance, what? Transit insurance and unloading charges. unloading, all these will come as what? Direct expenses. Bhai sahab, ye aata hai. Then on this side you have what? By sales and less sales return. Net sales will come in the outer column, and then you have by closing stock. Now, hello, please answer. This is fun. Try to understand. See, even the people who are watching the video, watch it entirely so that they can understand. I'm putting a lot of interesting questions, and let me see how many of you can answer it. Okay. Now, debit side, can I call all these are expenses? Hello. And all these are incomes. Here, Rapa. This is what is taught in the college. Debit side of trading P&L is all expenses. Credit side is all income. And you also accepted, yes or no? Sales is an income? Answer is yes. Is closing stock your income? I am asking you a question, is closing stock your income? Then why are you writing on the credit side? Why are you writing closing stock on the credit side? No answer. Format, sir. That is what? No answer. No answer. That is format, sir. Format. You know what is a format, sir? Our teacher in the college has taught format, sir. Teachers also nowadays, yaar kelsa rangila aur baratar. This is such an important profession. Okay, people who are learned, people who have the passion should come to into this profession. But people who don't have any other work, no, they are not getting jobs outside. E baro college na kalis ba. Haal madu non so hudugorna. Ninagantu yen gottilla. Kalis avrige. No, this is what is happening here. That is why, you know, many of the students are not able to understand. Okay, now come back here. Today, guys, I will teach you exactly as to how trading account is prepared. Is that clear? Now, up till the trial balance, did you understand? Okay, now come back. Up till here you understood? Okay, now, I have written something in red. Okay? Yes? These are nominal accounts. What accounts? N. N means nominal. This is also nominal. Income and expenses are nominal. Opening stock cannot be called as nominal. It is real account because it is a property belonging to the business. Is that clear? But since it is an opening stock, which cannot be shown in the closing balance sheet, that also has to get closed. What has to be closed? Nominal accounts and opening stock account has to be closed by passing closing journal entries. उस account को close करना है. Sir, अभी एक closing क्या है? Ledger accounts we balance, no sir. First we did journal entries. From journal entries we posted them into what? Ledger. वो ledger posting हो गया. बाद में आपने balancing सिखाया. ये बैलेंसिंग के बाद क्या होगा? बैलेंसिंग के बाद ट्रायल बैलेंस होगा. ट्रायल बैलेंस के बाद उसमें से नॉमिनल अकाउंट्स देखा जाएगा. यू पिक अप द नॉमिनल अकाउंट्स एंड वन इज ओपनिंग स्टॉक अकाउंट एंड यू क्लोज इट बाय पासिंग व्हाट एंट्रीज? क्लोजिंग जर्नल एंट्रीज. रिपीट. All nominal accounts should get closed by passing closing journal entries. Repeat. All nominal accounts should get closed by passing closing journal entries. And all the nominal accounts, items which come in trading account will go to trading account. Items which have to go to P&L account will go to P&L account. Understood? Now, I'll ask you a question. Please answer. You said opening stock will come in trading account. Arey, you only gave me the answer, na? ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट विच साइड इट कम्स? यू ओनली टोल्ड मी डेबिट साइड. अभी देखो वो कैसा आता है ना, फॉर्मेट से नहीं आता, क्लोजिंग जर्नल एंट्री से आता है. किससे आता है? देखना है. देखो ओपनिंग स्टॉक. आई आस्क यू क्वेश्चन. ओपनिंग स्टॉक अकाउंट इज शोइंग व्हाट बैलेंस? अरे व्हाट बैलेंस? डेबिट बैलेंस ऑफ हाउ मच? वेरी गुड. डेबिट बैलेंस ऑफ 1000. This opening stock is right now showing a debit balance of 1000. It should get closed means it should get credited or no? इस अकाउंट को अगर आप क्रेडिट करोगे ये क्लोज होगा ऑटोमेटिकली because it is showing a debit balance. So it means that opening stock should be credited, means some other account should be debited. That some other account is nothing but trading account. What account? Trading account debit to opening stock. This is a closing entry. What entry? And this closing entry is passed at the year end. When it is passed? आ जाओ, आजा, आजा. Entry बोलो. ये entry हेड रो. Trading account debit. हेड रे. Trading account debit to opening stock. How much? In our example, it is 1000. No. Now tell me, have you passed a journal entry? What is a journal entry? Trading account debit to opening stock. Ille nanu closing journal entries and bardeni A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Ivella closing entries barodavega. Is that clear? First pass the closing entry and then post it into ledger. Even trading account. Now tell me. Entry headry. Trading closing entries. Tell me. Trading account debit to opening stock. Now tell me, opening stock account gets closed. Is that clear? Now wait. I'll give you time. Idhar aa jao. Sir, can I strike off this? This account gets closed. Can I strike off? Yes, that account is closed. Now tell me, how many accounts are left? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many accounts are left? 8 accounts are left. Useless fellows. How many accounts are left? 8 accounts are left. Because you have just now opened trading account also. Trading account is also an account which is not coming in the trial balance. How many accounts are left? Thank you very much. Understood? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and trading account. Samajh mein aaya? Okay. Next. Shall we close? Wait. I'll give you time to copy. Shall we close this purchase account? Purchase account close karenge. Entry bolo. Purchase is showing what balance? Now if you want to close this purchase account, you should credit purchases and debit trading account. Debit. आ जाओ. Trading account debit 9,000 to purchase account is getting closed. Go to trading account debit to purchases. How much? Are you able to understand? This is closing entries. Nominal accounts are getting closed. Come back. How many accounts are left? Ye gaya 1. Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which? 7, no? Or 6? Which account? Trading account is still there. Okay. Which is the next nominal account? Sales. Sales account bhi close karenge? Close? Entry bolo. Now, answer this. 1 minute. 1 second. Sales account is showing what balance? If it has to get closed, sales account should be debited and some other account should get credited. And you told me sales account will come in trading account. Entry bolo. Sales account debit to excellent. Sales account debit 10,000 to trading account 10,000. How many accounts are left? Wait. We'll post it here. So trading account credit side by how much? Excellent. How many accounts are left? Sir, ये तो खत्म हो गया. How many accounts are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट इज लेफ्ट और ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट इज क्लोज्ड? हो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट इज क्लोज्ड है. कसा क्लोज आहे? कसं झालं क्लोज? क्लोज वेदर tallies? No sir, it tallies. 10,000 10,000, there is no balance. There is no balance. हो गया? Will there be a balance? Will there be a balance in trading account? I am asking you a question. Is there closing stock in the sum? I am asking you a question. Please answer. Is there a closing stock in the sum? Repeat. There is no closing stock. Repeat after me. There is no closing stock. Repeat. I am blind. Repeat. I am blind. Repeat. I am blind. आदमी आंख से अंधा हुआ तो चलता है, दिमाग से अंधा नहीं होना चाहिए. आदमी आंख से अंधा हुआ तो चलता है, दिमाग से अंधा नहीं होना चाहिए. Go back and read the sum, useless fellows. Go back. Read the entire sum. Go back to the transactions, useless fellow. Go back. Go back. Opening stock is how many shirts? Opening stock is how many shirts? 10 shirts. How many have purchased during the year? 90. How many have you sold? ಮತ್ ಉಳ್ದಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟ? ಉಳ್ದಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುತ್ತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋದ? 20 ಉಳ್ದಾವಿಲ್ಲೋ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುತ್ತ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋದೇನೋ? 20 ಉಳ್ದಾವಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್? ಅರೆ 20. Sir, that is not given in the sum. Practically nobody will give you. You have to calculate the closing stock, useless fellows. This is what PUC is 1 or 2 year. This is CA. Welcome to CA Foundation. Bhai Sahab, there is a closing stock here. Is there a closing stock? Yes or no? Closing stock hai. Now all the trading items are taken. Now you have to pass the entry for closing stock. Hear it carefully. थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा जाएगा. Let madam wait. Madam will take later on. But I am going to finish off this today. And then I'll give you time to copy it later on. Is that clear? First I'll finish off the explanation. Anyway, the video is there. Slowly you can copy it. Now hear it carefully. Look at the case. Many people, if I was not there, you would have done 10,000. 10,000. No profit, no loss. But if you read the sum, the cost price is 100 rupees per shirt and selling price is 125. It means that there is a profit per shirt of 25. And how many shirts have you sold? 80 shirts you have sold. 80 into 25, 2,000 rupees should be your profit. Exactly. Just calculate and see. 80 shirts into 25 per shirt. Per shirt का profit 25 रुपए है. 80 shirts you have sold, no? 2000 का तो profit आना चाहिए. इधर 2000 profit कहाँ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा ना? आना चाहिए ना? नहीं है, नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. आना चाहिए भाई. It means that something is wrong with this. We have not done properly. Now if I put the closing stock, बराबर होगा. अभी देखो. First try to understand. Many people say, sir, buy closing stock. Will not take closing stock. Generally closing stock will come here. Okay. Now before that, I want to tell you something. I have put some units column. 10 shirts. Hello. Purchases 90 shirts. Sales. This sum is going to be the standard sum in my entire accounts class. Whenever I say 10, 90, 80, you should understand this sum. What? Not 90. 10, 90, 80, then you have to understand this is the sum. Is that clear? Now tell me, 10 is opening stock. Purchases कितना है? 90. Total 100. 100 is known as this 100. इसका नामकरण करेंगे अभी. हाँ बोलो. This 100 is? अरे 100 is what? 10 you have already. 90 you have purchased. Now total how much you have? हाँ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ. हाँ ಎಂಥ ಸ್ಟಾಕು? ಎಂಥ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದೆ? ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕಾ? Closing stock, huh? Huh? No. What total stock? Useless fellows. This is known as gas. What it is known as? Gas. What? Repeat. Goods available for sale. Hedpa. Gas. What is this? Goods available for? ಹಂಗ್ಯಾಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ತಳಗ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋ ಮರ ಕುಂಡ್ರಕ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ goods available for? Now I repeat, concentrate here. Sir, opening stock 10 units are valued at 100 rupees each. 100 into 10 is 1000. बरोबर है? Purchases are also valued at 100 into 90, which is 9000. But sales are valued at 125. How much? 125 into 80. So 125 is the selling price and 100 rupees is the cost price. Yes or no? Now concentrate here. Now look at this concept. Please concentrate. Sir, if total amount 10,000. All of you please concentrate. Hello. Please concentrate. 10,000 is the cost price of 100 units. Agreed? Answer. Tell me. Repeat it once again. 10,000 rupees is the cost of 100 units. 100 shirts. Agreed? Now, this is comparison only. Can I compare cost of 100 units with selling price of 80 units? Is it matching or is it a mismatch? Mismatch. Sir, I cannot compare selling price of 80 units with cost price of 100 units. It should be selling price of 80 units with cost of 80 units only. Then only it is matching concept. There is something known as matching concept. What concept? You'll match agwal 3. That is why now you tell me, out of this 100 units, how many are sold? Out of this only it is sold, no? What is remaining? So out of this 90, 20 is remaining. Hedrappa. Andre total 100 tuko. Out of this 100, how much is remaining? Now this 20, you reverse it and put it on the credit side so that it is now matching. It is? Now tell me why closing stock comes on the credit side of trading account. Which concept? Repeat. Which concept? Otherwise, it is mismatch. You are comparing cost of 100 units with selling price of what? 80 units. It is not matching. ये गलती होगा. And there is some concept known as what? Accounting concept known as matching concept. Match होना ही चाहिए. Now tell me, hello, this we have done long back also. Hear it carefully. You are earning for 12 months. Yes or no? And you are paying salaries for 14 months. Will you take salaries for 14 months and earnings for 12 months? ये match हो गया या mismatch होगा? Accrual concept have you not seen? Even if you have paid salary for 15 months, you show in your P&L account salary for only how many months? 12 months. So that it should match. Your earnings, if it is for 12 months, expenses should also be shown for. ये भी इधर match नहीं हो रहा, इसलिए मैं reverse कर रहा हूँ उतना cost. ये cost है इधर, ये सब debit हो गया cost. इसका कॉस्ट रिवर्स होगा उतना मैचिंग कंसेप्ट की वजह से. अंडरस्टूड? दैट इज व्हाई क्लोजिंग स्टॉक कम्स हियर. व्हाट कम्स? सो टेल मी, व्हाट शुड आई राइट हियर? बाय, टेल मी, बाय क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक इज 20 यूनिट्स. नाउ दिस 20 यूनिट्स, should it be valued at cost price or selling price? Cost price is 100 rupees, selling price is 125. What if I take it as 125? At 125 into 20 is 2500. No? अरे yes or no? क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? Sir, the items which are not sold, repeat, the items which are not cannot be shown at selling price. Sales can be shown at selling price because you have already realized it. What? Realization concept, prudence concept or conservatism concept. Probable gains should not be recorded. Probable losses recorded. Probable loss raha to you record, but probable gains you should not record. If someone says, no, 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 I'll take it at 125, this closing stock I'm going to sell it in next year, no, I'll record it now only. No, you can't record. Probable gains you are recording now. नहीं कर सकते. Is that clear? आंसर तो 2000 आना चाहिए ना इधर प्रॉफिट. अभी आंसर 2500 आ रहा है देखो. 12,500. जीपी कितना आता है इधर? 2000 2 जीपी. गलत है. अरे अंडरस्टूड. Is that clear? So इसके वजह से closing stock should always be valued at, tell me, cost price or selling price, whichever is lower. Generally cost price only is lower. Right now you take it as selling price. It is not selling price, it is NRV, net realizable value. Right now you take it as selling price for your understanding. Now tell me, what is the cost price? 100. Answer. This also is valued at 100. 100 into 20, 2000. Now guys, by putting the closing stock here, I have passing one more entry known as closing stock account. What account? So closing stock account debit. Repeat. Closing stock account debit. Trading account. This is also a closing entry. One more closing entry. One more closing entry. Got it? So tell me the entry. Tell me the entry. Closing stock account debit. 2000. 2. Hedrappa. Trading account. Don't have to worry. You don't have to take it. You can watch the video later on and take it. Anyway, tomorrow I'll repeat it for you. Concentrate. Another just 10 to 15 minutes will finish off this. Just 10 to 15 minutes. 100% concentration I require. Now tell me, you have passed another entry known as closing stock account debit to trading account. It means that I should open another ledger account known as closing stock. Closing stock account should be opened. इधर है देखो closing stock. Closing stock account debit to Hedrappa. Trading account. How much? ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. 2000 ಇದು 2000 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಮಷಿ ತಗೋ. ಏನು ಬಂತು ಮರೆ? That's okay यार. 2000 बराबर है. By balance carried down. This balance will be brought down. How much? Tell me. 2000. To balance. Wait. I have to ask you questions. How many accounts are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trading account is? Yell close madampa. Trading account. Yell close agaitu. Inna close agilyo. Trading account is still there. 6 and one more account. Closing stock. You have opened another account known as what? So how many ledger accounts have come now? Oh, 6 to 7 adu. Hoga. Now, once all the items of trading items are taken, in this example there is no loading, freight, transit insurance, वो direct expenses कुछ नहीं है. तो अभी closing account को trading account को close करना, because trading account is also a nominal account. Trading account is also a, which side is heavier? Repeat, which side is heavier? Unit should tally. Unit should tally. 12,000. ये 12,000 ले लो इधर. कितना? 12,000. Clear? Yes sir. Now tell me the balancing figure. Will you balance it or close it? No balancing, useless fellow. Close it. You have to close it now because it is a nominal account. Entry. Trading account debit. What will write here? To gross profit. Now trading account gets. Very good. So it is one more entry. What is the entry? Trading account debit to GP. Illi barri. Ille. Hedri. Trading account debit 2002. Gross profit account. How much? Clear? Now come back to trial balance. Sir, how many accounts are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and closing stock 6. And which account? Trading account is closed, no. So only 6 accounts or 7 accounts? 6 or 7? Useless. Very good. 7. Which is the 7th account? Very good. You have opened a gross profit. Gross profit अभी तक close नहीं हुआ. You opened another account known as what? ये gross profit account to close आके Sir, no sir. In college, no. What they have said is, this is trading, no. 2GP by GP. ये 2GP by GP. 2GP by GP. Bye bye. Some people are useless. Arey bhai. Now tell me, hello. Trading account debit to GP. GP is showing a credit balance. GP account should also get closed because it is a nominal account. It is a. Now tell me, GP account is showing a credit balance. Now debit it. And P&L account credit. So ye GP should come in what? Tell me. Where should GP come? GP should come here in profit and, but for that also closing entry. What? By gross profit. So entry gross profit account debit, P&L account. Now gross profit account gets. Now how many accounts are left? 5 accounts plus 6. Now only 6 or 7? 6 or 7? Which is the 7th one? Very good. GP is closed but P&L account has come. No. Arey yes or no? P&L account आया तो. Here draw. Another 7 accounts are left. Entry. Tell me. Gross. All of you please concentrate. Gross profit account debit 2002. Profit and loss account. So 2GP by GP account gets. Now P&L account is opened. In this sum there are no indirect expenses. There are no indirect expenses and hence GP itself is NP. GP itself is net profit. Profit and loss account net profit. Now close it. 2000. Tell me, P&L account here 2. Very good. Entry आ रहा है कि नहीं? 2. Reason is profit and loss account is also a nominal account and nominal account should get entry. P&L account debit to net profit. आ जाओ. Entry बोलो. Profit and loss account debit 2002. Net profit 2000. How many accounts are left? How 7? P&L account is closed, no? Arey, you have opened net profit also, sir. Now net profit is also a nominal account. Is a? This net profit should also get. Where will you close it? Balance sheet. So entry will be net profit account debit to balance sheet. Useless fellow. Balance sheet is an account. Tell me the entry. Net profit. Who is going to enjoy? Owners. Balance is represented by capital or no here? Entry. Very good. Net profit account debit to समझ में आ रहा है? Hello. Now how many balances are left? 6 or 7? 6. Whatever is mentioned in trial balance, 5 items. Because 3 items out of total 8 accounts were there. Yes or no? 3 items were got closed. One new account has come, which is closing stock. So 6. Only 6 accounts are left. And these 6 accounts, you see, they are not nominal accounts. Either they are personal or real. And these only will come in the balance sheet. They are balanced. They are not closed. They are not. and these will be taken in the next year as opening balance. Understood? Now, go back to your trial balance. Go back to your trial balance. You tell me, I will prepare the balance sheet, you tell me. Okay? You tell me, first item कौन सा है? Cash is an asset. ले लो cash, कितना है? 52,250. Second, opening stock is closed, yaar, useless fellow. I have already closed, no? Tell L लेती है, head रे. Next, furniture is an highest to. Next, yes to. No. 61 is opening stock. Add net profit. Add after passing the journal entry that I have not yet done that, but that will be 63 now. 60. अर्थ आयता? Next, Ravan is credit or debit? Credit means where it should come. Ravan, how much? Munda, Lakshman. Yes, Tapa. Debit, no. Next, sales is हो गया ना. और एक account है, useless fellow. I have drawn, but you have not drawn. Stock, closing stock. Closing stock is how much? Which I have done in my this thing. Balance sheet will tally. Assets will show either personal or real, which is debit balance. Liabilities will show only personal, which is credit balance. 60. Now, hello. Answer is done. Now wait. Sir, 2 days back or 3 days back, you have done accounting equation. And directly from transaction we prepared what? You all have prepared or no? Directly with the help of the transaction you prepared the balance sheet or no? Then why all this drama? It means that directly from transaction we can prepare. But this drama is required so that you can understand from where it comes. If you want to know your profit or loss, you cannot say accounting equation, find profit or loss. You have to do this flow. Understood? Are you now getting what are closing entries? All the nominal accounts should get by passing all the nominal accounts should get closed by passing closing entries. This is your entire accounting process. You are in India, you are in US, doesn't matter. This only is followed. Debit credit principles. Oh, sir. This we should have learnt in PU1 and PU2 only. What did you learn? What fees you have paid? No. You have just warmed the benches and come there. जाऊन तिकडे बसून गरम करून आला तुम्ही बेंच आणि काही नाही. This should have been actually learnt in your 11th standard and 12th standard. And I'll tell you, in 11th and 12th, students are not interested here, not like CA students. Only interested students will sit and इधर सिखाने को भी मजा आता है. So, boys and girls, it is absolutely not necessary for you to go to the college if you are a CA student. You can just learn it by attending these classes. More than enough. I'm not encouraging you all to miss the classes. If the professor is really interesting, if the college is giving you some kind of knowledge, please go and attend. But according to me, if you are not able to understand there in the college, there's no point in wasting your time. I have seen many of the students, what they do is college. Attendance. Yadi badkodar. What are you learning? You tell me, you go to the college and you learn rubbish over there just for attendance? Just for attendance you are going there. What is the use, you tell me? Sit wherever you get what knowledge. That is very, very important. Understood the accounting process? So tell me the process once again. Fast. Pass the journal entries. Second, prepare the ledger accounts. Ledger accounts में 2 step है. Ledger and ledger. After ledger balancing, prepare. In the trial balance, pick up and one opening stock account which has to get. And one more thing. See here, if there is purchase return, sales return, and if there is drawings, These also have to be closed. Reason is purchase return should be adjusted with purchases. Sales return has to be adjusted with what? Sales. And drawings has to be adjusted with capital. Like net profit is transferred to capital, drawing should also get transferred to what? So these three things also have to be by passing closing journal entries. Once you pass these closing journal entries, you will get trading account. Trading account should also get what? Closed by transferring that amount to GP. GP should also get closed, transfer to P&L. P&L should also get closed, transfer to net profit. Net profit should also get closed, transfer to capital. What you are left with only personal and real. These are the items which will come in your balance sheet. That is the end of your PUC 1 syllabus. In one class I finished your what? PUC 1 syllabus. PUC 1 syllabus में इतना ही है. वो क्या cash book easy है. It is something like ledger account only. Is that clear? Only subsidiary books I have to teach all. That is the end of what? PUC 1 syllabus. Did you understand the process? All of you? Enjoying the class? I will wind up the class. Jai Hind. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.